So, hi viewers. In this video, we are going to see our more tools like what we have next with us. So, this is the default function. And what do you mean by default function in exponential? It means that what are the access or what are the, like you can say, the access or the privileges that are provided to each type of user. For example, what type of screens a type of user can see. And like there are five types of user that we have: company, master, broker, sub-broker, and client. So like which screens are visible to which user, which screens should be visible to which type of user is given by this default function. So we can set that by default client should be able to see like your perform trade and your my trades and like some other thing and account statement. And like in the tool section he can only view your uh, contact us and the user manual thing. So this is the power or this is the default access screens that we can set that which type of user can see what. And that can be different for master, for broker and sub broker and like your client. And everything will be visible to your company that is at the topmost hierarchy. So in this we have some drop downs, we have some buttons to expand like what are the functionality which we can collapse as well. Then we have a table, okay, that is showing that what powers it has and we can update that as well. Okay, so you can see here that I can revoke all the powers, I can grant all, like you can search a user. Okay, and then you can cancel, add, then you can click on edit button to edit, and then you can just save to save. Okay, and here in the save handler, then you can see that you have to edit before saving, and you can just update the default access management. Okay, so this is basically the default access management given to each type of user in Exponential. Coming to the user manual. Okay, so this is basically what is a user manual? It's basically a form, or you can say some details. For example, you buy a product and you can see that these are the like the rules that you have to follow while using this. So it's kind of a rule book or some manual that is given to a particular client or a user that you can see these things and these are the rules that you should follow this and these are the like your points that you should like use this product with this. Okay. So for the company view, like you have a form and there you can like add this. Okay. Like you can add the user manuals on your own and that will be visible to the end user. That is your like you here you have a input and here you have a text box that is the user manual detail and the title. Okay, and in the index you have the table where all the user manuals that are added will be visible. Okay, so this is it for your user manual. And then coming to watch logs. So what comes under watch logs? So what is a watch log screen? Basically uh, this is something known as logs. Okay, so like what are logs? Basically, you can say like type of console log you can say, but like what is a log? It's kind of an log or information that will be visible when something happens. Okay, so it's kind of a user interaction happens, or for example, user a client creation happens. So any type of like interaction or any kind of, for example, a user trade is deleted or executed or any kind of thing. So it is settled at the backend, and any type of operation that is being happened and action is being done. According to that, a log will be shown to that particular in that particular table. Okay, so there is a table there. Okay, so in this table, logs info will be stored, and this info will be like fetched each after like every time, and it will be like the top 10 logs will be visible at one time. Okay, so this is your watch log screen that is containing a table with these columns, and then you have your pagination table. Okay, so this was your watch logs, and this was your user manual, and then your default function.